All right, morning everybody. Happy day 58 of day trading the market open with a small account until we have enough confidence to fund it again. It is looking weak out there. Very weak. Nothing going on. But we're here. And we got to show up. Got to show up to get our reps in. The most interesting thing going on right now is RETO. It's a little pricey for me, but it's all right. We'll see what happens. A little bit of some topping tail action coming on early. It just recently popped. Up, so we'll see. We shall see. See what today brings. Yeah, CEP is way too expensive. It's not going to work. So it looks like it's only RETO for now. Game time in 10 seconds. All right, there it is. Let's see, thought process. This is probably going to be the only stock people are trading right now. At least people that are trading these types of stocks. So, what is going to be the way? Do we wait or do we try to get green and get the hell out of here? Spread is kind of thicker here. 508, that would have been a nice little close to lower band situation. So if I buy a breakout and I buy the ask, I'm gonna need the stock to really move because I'm gonna be buying sometimes the spread's looking at like 10 cents right now. VWAP and about 6 leches. Try to get a low fill there. What's going on over here, AZTR? You're a penny stock, but I got my eye on you, I guess. That was gross. Look at that candle. That was gross. Everybody dance now. Interesting action going on over here. What's this percent? That's a 10% move. Okay. I have to hammer that for I have to smash that button 10 times though. That's not realistic. Maybe we try to smash the button. Because this is dying out. For now, at least, it is. But what are people going to trade today? Halt down. False halt? Let's get ready just in case it false halts. And the halt is locked. Bummer. Alright, AZTR, give me another flash crash down. Look at this. This halted down and this immediately got volume. Coincidence? Oh, let's go. Come on. Drop. 38. So let's go fishing down here for one, just in case things get a little nutty. That'll be one of the hotkey smashes, and then I'll have to just ba-ba, 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 double tap, triple tap, quadruple tap. Ready. I'm ready for it, though. Guess I could probably throw multiple orders down there. It's an idea. What would happen if I hit that again? Did I just go to 2,000? Nope, it cancels one. That's what I thought. I thought I had a cancel previous order built into the hotkey. Ugh. Wow. AZTR, I guess in the meantime, while we have our fishing line out there, let's see. Oh, your daily candles look not terrible. Got up to 52 cents. Okay. Just be mindful of this. Let's be mindful. 5-minute candle is looking big. Let's see if it gets a pullback. This is not a stock that I generally would like to trade. And let's see how it turns out today. Wow, RETO showing a redemption down near 411. That's like right here. Yikes. Come on, AZTR. Oh, yep. Tape speeding up. Thought that was going to give me a crash. Okay, is this thing going to drop off? $0.04. Could take a 4-cent bounce for sure on this penny stock. That would be ideal, actually. Let's cancel that, and let's just try to be quick on the trigger. Come on. 36. Small buyer there at 36. Man, what a terrible day this is. These are days it's like I could be doing so many other things, but this is what I enjoy the most. So we sit here and we watch the paint dry. Little buyer there at 37. Chop out that buyer. Buyer got chopped for a little bit there. Come on now. I'm seeing you. Okay. You gave me some to trade. What if we just made a Limp Bizkit version of this? I like that. I think I like that. You guys can't take that. That one's mine. Okay. Sitting, waiting, wishing, like Jack Johnson. When does RE2, RETO ask went back to 450? That's still... Maybe we try for a relief bounce. Maybe we try for a relief bounce over here. A little dead cat action. I mean, this is AZTR is obviously showing that there's no buyers willing to take this price. They might be willing to take 34 down at lower band, but they're not willing to take the price here at 36. So what's going to be the play then? Okay, just gonna chill. Looks like RETO got a 10-minute. That's bummer. That's a big time bummer. What's the general market up to? I got a little bit of a... no, it's flat. Flat today. I was looking at yesterday's candle. Okay. A little more, then I'm gonna have to hold this thing for like 10 minutes and it's gonna be awful and I'm gonna hate every minute of it. Hmm. 36. I mean, this is just bleeding too. 35, there's 35. Small buyer at 35. I'll take this unbelievably small trade to see what happens. I want to see what happens with that buyer. Ideally, I'd like to be in here. So we're going to aim for that. How many shares did I get? I just kept hammering the key. Oh, good thing I didn't hit it anymore. I didn't realize I spent so much cheddar on that. Alright, well, let's chill. See what we got going on here. Trading penny stocks. Ooh, RETO just almost halted up. A little false halt up there. I'm gonna have to cut a whatever this is under there. So let's see if it gets any love whatsoever. Oh, RETO, look at that. Rejection. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, AZTR. What's your alt down? 20 cents. We're getting no relief bounce here. Kind of like being in for this share size, though. I like seeing that P&L swang. Buyer's down at 33. That buyer just disappeared. Uh-oh, that's not a great sign. Alright, well, we're going to cut it. Oh, you're not going to pop right there. You're not going to do that. Holy smokes, that is so unfortunate. Look at that. That is so unfortunate. That is highly annoying. Highly annoying. Okay. Well, I can't say that isn't irritating because, I mean, that is just... I got chopped out right before it moved. Green there at 345. See if it gets above EMA. Can still take a few stabs at it, I suppose. Ooh, and the daily candle went to red and also went under the 100-day moving average for AZTR. Look at this, it's just snail mail. Oh. That's so funny. This whole trade was only like a 1.5 cent loss. That's kind of comical, actually. I think that's it. You know, nothing's moving. We're not gonna sit here and try to create any more magic when there's nothing going on. So save the buying power, save the P&L for another day. Thanks for being here. Drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know how you guys did. If you guys stay longer, let me know if something interesting happens, because as of right now, there is nothing interesting going on, which means momentum into Monday might be weak as well. But, you know, it is what it is. Spread love. Be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.